Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to be showing you how I blend these mini twists with my coilistic clip-ins from Kinkistry. Stay tuned. Hey, so today's video is all about these mini twists, which I have pretty much done most of my head. I have one section left, which I am going to do on camera. And then once the mini twists are done, I'm going to let them set for a few hours and then add the clip-ins. So let's get started. So I've already applied my leave-in conditioner and detangled this section. So now I am going to be going in with the Hydrolux gel, which is the new gel from Kinkistry. I have used this gel in a previous video on these same clip-ins, but with a wash and go. I'll link that video up in the cards above. But today I am using this gel for these mini twists. So stay tuned. Okay, so our mini twists are all done and they look really good. Now with mini twists and finger coils, I get a whole bunch of shrinkage, and shrinkage is not a bad thing, but who doesn't love length? So we are going to add our clip-ins to these mini twists just to add a little fullness and a little length. So stay tuned. Okay, so again, I am using the 12-inch and the 14-inch clip-ins from Kinkistry, and these are the coilistic clip-ins. I have already did mini twist on the 14-inch clip-ins, and this is what they are looking like. So definitely going to blend well with my hair. Again, just to add some fullness and some length. So now I'm going to do the 12-inch bundle, so stay tuned. Okay, so our twists are ready and we've twisted both bundles. Not sure if I'm going to need to use both bundles, but I have them both prepared just in case. So we are going to start at the bottom with our 12-inch bundle. So I'm just going to pull these twists up. So that we can insert our clip-ins. And I'm going to turn around so that you guys can see. So I'm going to insert a 2-clip clip-in. So I'm just opening up the clip. And I'm just going to insert them right into my hair. And as you can see, it's adding length and it's blending with my twist. So I'm just going to continue to insert the clip-ins in the back and the sides. I'm gonna take this next one all the way around. And then I'll go back in and fill in where needed. So we're gonna go in with the 4 clip. And we're gonna start on this side. So it stops right here. So I'm gonna go in with a 2 clip in. And we're still on the very first bundle. So I'm gonna go in with the 3 clip on this side. Go in with 1 more up front. And now we're going to move on to the other side just to see where we can add some more pieces. So we have used all of the 12-inch, so now we are going in with the 14-inch. And need a 2 clip on. There we go. All right, so I'm just gonna go in and see where I need to add any extra clip-ins, and I'll be back with the final result, so stay tuned. Okay, so we went ahead and added a few more clip-ins, pinned this section back, and I'm definitely loving this. I've already been a fan of MiniTwists, but the fact that I can add these clip-ins to give me a little more length and some volume is just perfect. So I'm gonna go in and fix my baby hairs, or lay my edges rather, and put on a little makeup and change clothes, and I'll be back for the final reveal. But before that, give you a quick 360. Definitely loving this look. I'll be back. And here we are with the final look. Definitely loving these MiniTwists. Again, I have added the coilistic clip-ins from Kinkistry, in the lengths 12-inch and 14-inch. And I did my mini twist using the Hydrolux Moisturizing Enhancer Gel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I will see you in my next video.